Welcome back to Manhattan Beach Toyota. Today we're looking at the 2022 Sienna XLE and the Cypress Green paint job, aka the Ninja Turtle van. This Sienna is going to get you 36 miles per gallon with its hybrid 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. It's front wheel drive and sports a very sleek chrome accent job that adds a lot of character to its street presence. You have neatly tucked away front and rear parking sensors so you can feel more comfortable letting your teenagers drive and parking in tighter spots. You get roof rails for all your precious cargo. Flared fenders giving off more of a wide body feel on the streets. And to be honest, the part that surprised me the most was the interior. The wood grain accents really complement the leather stitching, and the center console is packed with gadgets. The real fun comes in the second row. I couldn't believe how much space there was. If we can get 100 likes on this video, we'll vlog how many people we can fit in this van. The second row has seats that are extremely adjustable and make getting to the third row no problem at all. The whole production team can fit in here. A cute little button for the kids, and tons of space for mom. Third row is even more adjustable than the second row, and we display all the ways that it can be moved around, at least all the ways that we know of. The key fob allows you to remotely open the trunk and the sliding side doors. With the key in your pocket, you can open and close the side doors with a kick. We had a blast making this walk around of the 2022 Sienna XLE in the Cypress Green.
All right, go for it.
Stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching.